Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this really easy abstract and nail stamp design. So I'm going to use White by Sinful Colors called Snowy White. And I recently purchased these polishes by Born Pretty. They're Universe Series polishes. They're like metallic polishes. They're called Galactic Center, Pink Planet, and Leo. So I already painted my nails with the white polish, and I'm going to swipe on those different metallics. Now these polishes are a nail stamping polish, but they don't work that well. So I just decided to use it as an abstract design. I love how it came out. It just gives it a nice look. Then using my Cici and Sisi '05 nail plate, I'm going to apply black polish onto this pretty nail stamp design. Just thought adding this design on top of that abstract look just brought it all together. It gave it such a unique and a stylish look. I just love how it came out. You can use any colors you want, for the abstract design and any nail stamp design you want. But I just love how this came out. It came out so pretty and simple. It's a really simple and easy design. I see that when I do my, abstract or dry brush designs, you guys love it. I guess because it's really simple, easy to do, and I love showing you different designs. So I hope you like this one also. Once I was done, I just removed the liquid latex, I cleaned around my nails, and I applied a quick dry top coat. Quick and easy, and I hope I made it easy for you to recreate if you want. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos, and check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.